Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can probably tell by this situation up here that this video is a hair tutorial. I'm gonna be trying something I've not tried before color wise, but I wanted to show you guys the hair before I jumped in and started doing it. So this hairstyle is brought to you in part by my aunt. She got some hair and she was going to try it, and she kept trying to talk herself into it, and it didn't really work out. So she said, well, Lisa, I know you try different stuff. Would you like it? So she gave me this hair instead. I told her I'd give it a shot. See how it goes. It is my normal pattern, but the color is not normal. So basically today's hair is it's MAMBO crinkly Afro kinky hair, and it's 24 inches. It's a 4C crinkly hair from the Janet collection. And here is what the hair looks like. This is the packaging. And that's the part that's awkward, is the color. So there's a 33, which is like a darker brown. And then there is a 30. A little glare there. These packs of hair black, they cost $8.99 at the hair store. This came from a local beauty supply store. So it was $8.99 at the local beauty supply store here. I'm gonna give it a shot and see what I think. As I'm not used to these colors, what I think I'm gonna do is actually put the lighter color at the top. We're gonna see how that look, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I haven't really met too many hair colors that I couldn't wear, so we'll see. Let's see. I will show you guys my hair. My braiding pattern is pretty much the same as what I always do. I did less braids this time. I did 10 braids instead of 12 at the front, and then I did 5 connecting braids at the back, and then connected them all at the end. Like I braided the braids into each other at the back, and then I crocheted the end of the braids into the edge to that final braid. So the back is just straight back. There isn't anything special about it. Here's the front. Hold on, let me look down a little bit. So I said it's 10 braids. I do have a part right down the middle, but I like to my hair to one side or the other, or it's going to be like in my face. Not really sure yet how I'm going to do it. As I said, this is just one of those styles I'm just kind of trying out to see how I look. See how I go. It could be pretty, it could be pretty tragic. So as I said, here are my two colors, 30 and a 33. Yeah. So I hope it turns out good. We shall see. I did trim my ends because they really bad. Well, they were rough. To me, they are rough. So I did trim my ends some. I didn't trim them before I put the last style in, because what happens is I get scissor happy, guys, and then I'll cut off like 5 inches of my hair every time. I don't know why, but that just happens. I end up cutting off way too much of my hair, and it looks really short. And then when I do it again, it's back to where it was at the time before, and I cut it off or something. And so I got a little scissor happy. My bad. So I just went ahead and braided it up. I did oil it. I had some leave-in conditioner stuff, but it expired. Apparently they do that when it's the natural products. I didn't know they even expired, but I looked at it, it expired. So I went ahead and threw those out, and I had to use some stuff that I use on my son's hair. And some black castor oil and a mixture of oils to spray my scalp, as I always do, before I put braids in. It's really important that you moisturize your hair before you put anything on top of it, because if it's dry underneath there, boy, I tell you what, you're gonna have a time. It's gonna be itchy for one, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this style out. I'll come back here in a little while and show you guys, what it looks like as I start going. Because like I said, I'm gonna put the 33, yeah, the 33 at the back, and then I'll come back and show you guys in a little bit. Hi guys. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys my new growth. I just took out my braids. Now I realize I have had these in for a little over a month now. I think a month and a half or so. I'm going to be doing my hair, so I want to show you guys what it looks like when I take out my braids. Here's my new growth. You can see about a month or so it started to look like that. Just really a lot of hair growth. Every time I take my braids out or I do my hair, I tend to trim it. But I'm trying to stop doing that because I cut too much of my hair off for no reason. Why is my nose peeling? Whatever. I'm trying to stop doing that so much because I cut it and it being real short. So I'm trying not to do that this time. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like now that I got these braids, my hair down and everything, about to get washed and stuff. So I just want to show you guys my new growth after a month and a half. Get out of here, buddy. Come on, Kai. My kid just be following me everywhere. I can't get a moment, y'all. So yeah, back to the video. Hi guys, so I'm back. It is 1:30 in the morning. I partially blow dried my hair so that it wouldn't be wet. It looks crazy, y'all. It wouldn't be wet when I was about to go to bed. I need to trim it, I'm sure, because it looks really rough on the edges. But I just want to show you guys my hair halfway blow dried, and I'm sweating because it's hot in this bathroom. And yeah, it keeps growing out though, which is great because I keep cutting it off and it keeps coming on back. I'll take it with all its shrinkage. So I want to show you guys my puff, my afro, which is not really full afro right now. It's like a partial afro because, like I said, I started to blow dry it, then I stopped, and I started back, and then I started sweating, so it started to shrink. So it's just dry for the night. I'll come back and show you guys when I start my braids. Okay guys, so we are one bag in. I kid you not, it's been 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes with this hair. One bag, 10 minutes. And I am halfway across the back of my head. I am spacing, you guys. This is like 1 to 2 finger widths apart. And it looks like this. So I knew it was going to be long. I didn't know it was going to be this long. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see from the side just the length. And there's the back. 10 minutes. So this will be a quick hairstyle for sure if you're looking for something that's really fast, because it gives you all the volume that you need. 10 minutes. So I'm gonna come back when I get another bag. See what it look like then. Okay guys, so I did not use the full 2 packs at the back because I think I might want to splice a little bit of that deep brown at the top. That's chocolate colored brown at the top. I do have an issue with the space right here because of how I did my braids back there. Normally I would do 6 and I only did 5. So there's kind of like this gap that I gotta figure out, which shouldn't be too difficult, but still. So this is like a pack, and there's I think 4 or 5 sections left of this pack, and now I'm about to go in with the lighter color. And yeah, let me show it from the side again. And in the back, and you can see that space kind of maybe right in there. I'm sure it's gonna get covered up with the hair that I'm about to put in at the top. We shall see. Y'all, this is some hair, boy. Your girl a little hot. I don't mean cute. So I guess I keep you warm. It's winter time. I'll be back when I figure out this blonde-ish color. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is quite intimidating. I don't get intimidated easily, but this hair seems to be a challenge. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is where I'm at after starting or finishing my first pack of this lighter hair color. Like I said, I still got pieces of this deeper color that's at the back, so you can see the difference in the 2 colors. Well, there it is right there. Here's the color that's at the top. Here's the color that's at the back. Get closer. Yeah. I might put a splice or 2 of that color right up in here somewhere. But yeah, there's a lot of hair. I had to zoom out a little bit to move my tripod back just so I can get all of it. I'm even leaning back now, so I tell you something. A little bit. It is over my shoulder. Hold on, pull it to the front like it's supposed to be. You guys see? Yeah. As I said, I don't get intimidated by hair often, but my Lord, I don't know what I'm about to do to this. I'm gonna figure it out, of course. Lord, forgive me. I'm not supposed to be using your name in vain. Let me get it together. But I'm not. I've worn hair this big, but it wasn't this color. It was my color, so it looked a little bit more natural. We might have to see, cause y'all, it's a lot, y'all. I ain't gonna stunt like I don't like it either though, cause I like my hair big. Y'all know I like my hair huge, but this something else here. I can't even see my arm back there. So yeah, this is after 2 packs and most of the 3rd pack. I'm about to do the other part over here of this color. From turn the side, can't even see my face, can you? Nope. All right. Back. Y'all, and there's more space at the front than there were at the back. You can kind of see some of the spaces up here. See that big old gap back there? Still huge. So, I'll be back. About 10 more minutes. Y'all can see how it look in all its lion mane glory. Alright guys, so here we are after that last pack of hair. I'm gonna have to go do a little bit of butchering on this, as you guys could probably imagine, because this is a lot of hair, whole lot. I used all of it, but I think one piece of it. And this is what I got. So I like it like this, and be honest with you, I like how big it is. But this ain't practical. It's just not practical, guys. Let's be honest. I have a 1-year-old, and he sees my hair and he's gonna tug it. So I'm gonna go do a little cutting, a little shaping, a little molding. I'm gonna show you guys all the way around first before I start doing all that. But yeah, this is it. Completed, full. You can see that brown, that chocolate down there. Can't really see it on this side because I don't have it pulled down, but it's back there, I promise. I'm sure you even inside. Hold on. Boom. Like an ice cream cone, don't it? You can tell me. I ain't gonna be mad. They probably do like an ice cream cone. Here is the back. Really full, guys. Like, this head is really big. It's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be though, which is great because I didn't really want a bunch of heavy hair on my head. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do some chopping. I'll be back in a moment. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the final result of the hair. I did trim a lot of it off, as you guys could probably tell, but it's still like super huge even without it. I ended up using all of it. I think I have one piece left. I'm gonna put it back here somewhere. I already found a spot for it. But overall, I really like it so far. It's just really big, and I'm not gonna pretend like it doesn't obstruct your view, your peripheral, because it really does. But it's really pretty. It's really bouncy. It's really light, and I didn't think I would like this color, but I actually like this color. Shout out to my auntie for bringing it on through one time for the one time. So yeah, overall, really good experience so far. It is really warm as I anticipated because the hair is so big. I'm probably going to wear this for 3 to 4 weeks, just depending on how it upkeeps, but it seems to be similar to the hair that I always buy, so the upkeep will probably be quite similar to that. This is a 30 and a 33 with the darker color at the bottom. I want to see what it looks like with the lighter color at the top. I don't usually do that, but why not give it a shot, huh? So overall, good so far. I'll give you guys an update on this hair in about 2 weeks so you guys can see what it looks like, how it's holding out, all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I hope this video was helpful, insightful. If you have this hair at your local beauty supply store and you want to give it a shot, go for it. You may not use as much hair as I did. I used 4 full packs, but it probably won't take most people normally 3.5. But I have a big head and I like my hair really big, guys. Not kidding, just like huge. So this fits me just fine. So thank you guys again for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys don't ever get tired of seeing me in big hair, because I love big hair. And thank you guys again. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.